Hello everyone, welcome back to Shine E lesson number 3. Okay, I hope you guys have been constantly practicing lesson 1 and 2 on all the recap and new rhythms that I've taught you all. Okay, those are very important. I hope that you all will be able to play the rhythms at the back of your head easily, like when you just see it and just I can play. Okay, why? Because today we are going to concentrate on the shine groove. This shine groove is a piece of percussion music that I've written specially for Stanford Primary School for you to have fun. Okay, and this groove makes use all of the rhythms that I've taught until now. Yeah? Okay, so you need to be very familiar and you need to know how to count and play correctly before you can play this shine groove very well. Now, this shine groove has 4 parts: the shaker cans, the metal tins, the plastic bottle, and a bass instrument, okay, which you can use cardboard boxes. All right, you will be assigned each part to play, but I would suggest for this lesson you try to follow me to play all the parts. Okay, this is to make sure that you get enough practice on reading the scores. Okay, so with everything said, shall we move on?
Yeah, let's go!
Okay, now we are going to play part by part. I'm gonna split the 16 bars into 4 bars by 4 bars by 4 bars by 4 bars. Okay, so I'm gonna just say out. I'm just gonna say it out. I'm not gonna play. I'm just gonna say out how am I supposed to play. For example, I will count 1 and 2, rest, 4. Okay, but because there's this little lines there on the crochet, it means roll. I will do this: 1 and 2, rest, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, understand what to do? Now let's try. Shaker cans from bar 1 to bar 4. Count without playing. On my count: 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, rest, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest, 4, rest, 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 rest. Have you got it? Let's try one more time. Okay, this time all the rest you will just count them as rest. You don't need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I will show you like this. All right, when you're counting your rest. Let's try again. Ready? On my count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest, 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 rest. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest, 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 rest. Is it easy? All right. Now, let's count and play it together. All right. On my count: 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now let's do it one more time, but now we count the rest as rest, 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 rest. We do not count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You must be able to know how many rests you have rested inside your heart. Okay? Let's try again. Ready? On my count: 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest, 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 rest. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest, 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 rest. Done. Very good. This is the first line. All right, let's move on to the second line of the shaker cans. Right, same. We are just going to count. And if you ever see the rolling sign, the scribble sign, you will do this. All right, shall we try? Okay, let's try on my count. And 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, now we are just going to count out the rest. Alright, we do not count 1, 2, 3, 4 when we are resting. We just count the rest. Alright, let's try again. This is counting without playing. On my count. 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest, 3 and 4. Okay, you got it? Now, let's play and count them together. Okay, count out the rest. Okay, do not count. When you see a rest, just say rest. Okay, if you rest 2 beats, say rest. Okay, ready? On my count. This is play with counting. 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, notice the last bar I played soft. Why? Take a closer look. There is a P there. P means soft. Alright, got it? Okay, now let's play from bar 1 all the way to bar 8. Okay, play while counting. Are you ready? Let's try on my count. 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, have you got it? Okay, it's actually very easy. Now let's do it one more time. This time, during the rest, we don't count 1, 2, 3, 4. During the rest, we just count rest. And then you need to make sure you know how many rests you have counted. Alright, now shaker cans from bar 1 all the way to bar 8. On my count. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest, 3 and 4. Okay. If you need more time, you can always rewind this video and take a look at how I play and play together with me, alright? Now, let's move on to line 3, which is bar 9 to bar 12. Okay, now this is loud. Why? Because look at bar 9, there's an F there. F means forte. Okay, so same, we are not gonna play, we are just gonna count. We are just gonna say it out, alright? And there is only one rest there. So if there's a rest there, just say rest. Alright? Let's try. Ready? On my count. 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Still remember when you see that roll sign, okay, that tremolo sign, that 3 lines across the crochet, you need to do this. Alright? Okay, now let's try to count and play together. Alright, remember this is playing loud. On my count. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go! 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, easy, yeah? Alright, now let's move on to the last line, which is bar 13 to 16. The only thing you actually need to be very careful of is the last bar, because it is a decrescendo, which means from loud going to soft. Okay, so you need to really control. Same, we are not going to play first, we're just going to count. If you ever see a rest, just count rest. Alright, shall we start? On my count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just count. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 4. Okay? Alright, now if you haven't got it, you can also keep on rewinding the video and play together with me. Okay? Now, let's count and play together. On my count. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go! 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, did you remember to go softer and softer at the last bar? Alright, now let's try from bar 9 all the way to bar 16. We will try the third and fourth line combined together. Alright, let's try. Ready? On my count. And 1, 2, 3, go! And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Alright, have you got it? This is all for the shaker can part of the shine groove. Okay, if you're assigned to this part, please keep on taking a look at this video. Okay, now I'm going to play one time whole from the beginning of this shaker, bar 1 all the way to bar 16. Okay, so that when you finish practicing part by part, you can play together with me here now from the beginning of bar 1 all the way to bar 16. Alright, shall we start? You can always count out loud and play. Okay, do not be shy. So, but after you think you're confident already, you can always count inside your heart and then play it out. Alright, let's try on my count. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go! 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest, 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 rest. 1 and 2, rest. 4, rest, 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 rest. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to actually demonstrate on the actual instruments that you're supposed to play, the shaker. Alright, so now I'm going to play it together with the metronome once from bar 1 all the way to bar 16. Okay, you can only try this only after you are very sure of the rhythm, of the rest. Okay, don't play cheat and just follow me, huh? Okay, alright, now going at 60. Alright, on my count, 1, 2, 3, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, rest. 4, 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, this concludes the shaker cam part of the Shine Groove. Okay, for those who are assigned to this part, please, once again, I need you to really practice more on this. Okay, this is the most easy part. There will be more coming along. Okay, so what part shall we move on to? Let's see.